Hello everyone, so this is a PA of the day on my loss of my Microsoft pair. Let me see. Oh, I had to upgrade some stuff. It's okay. Yeah, for this for this situation, why it failed? Because very simple. I just went to get a very bad price from here instead of going back up. Um, that's when I got in and then I noticed that huh, I mean I need a pullback. I want a pullback like a pullback. And also I was going through the story. I say I was looking for the 4 hours. I what is this? And just go back to my analysis that is based on the daily area, so it's doing a channel or a range. um, At this point, I think they're doing a range. It is a range. They poke out and then break, but then I wasn't really seeing that. So they poke out and they did a probe, and from here they give me a very bad price that I was telling myself that I need a better price. I need a better price, but I was naive and I just took it down. I thought it's gonna take it down. Um, I think the thing is that the mistake that I've done is I thought I would take it back down from there, and this before um after the markets closed and the buyer came very strong, and then all of a sudden the price went down. It was a mix of confusion in it. And then this is the volume came up, the buyer is right there, and they are here. Unfortunately, um, not sure to take it back all the way down for this. This is kind of like wearing me out for a bit, and I am also a little bit more confident too because at this P and an S. But before I was counting the P right here and the S right here. But I realized that when I read this whole move in the refresh, I just starting question a lot. It's like, how come the buyer come back? Why didn't it take all the way down? That is a big question that I was having in my head and try to solve this problem, this puzzle. Because originally it's to come from the monthly and really didn't go down. And that's why I see a volume from the buyers from the 1 hour. And that would be a great to buy. There's of my purpose of my sticking is supposed to be right here a P and an S and buy back over here. But overall, the S is kind of made me worry out because after the markets. Um, and this is very bad price that I got, like very bad. Um, yeah, I'm trying to play it both way, but in a real way, if I want to stick to a monthly, I always want to go for buy because I actually want to go for a buy, and that's what I wanted. And and now things change. I'm kind of a little more careful because now I'm in the 1 hour. I'm just seeing this, is this going to break, and then take it back down from here, or take out this whole area, whatever, here to here. I mean, this buyer has already died, so I'm trying to play both ways that I wanted to use my both energy, but then not try to mess it up at the same time, just to keep it calm. So yeah, and that is basically my PA of the day. I just got a loss right here, and not a big deal. And I learn from it. And yeah, if you have any feedback for this pair that you are analysis that I need to be aware of, then yeah, I appreciate of that, and I will do better from there. So thank you for watching, and that's it. That's it for my PA.